What's up guys, it's Aaron from How To's by Bros. Today I'm going to show you how to do a backflip on the trampoline. So another backflip tutorial. Alright, so this is really simple, really easy trick, but it's not the most, it's a lot scarier than a front flip, right? Backflips are easy to do, I promise you that. He can tell you. He just learned a backflip yesterday, and but backflips are really easy, but they're really scary because you're literally going into it blind. You can't see on the other side. People always say like, oh, I'll break my neck doing a backflip. No, you have to just commit to the backflip, right? When you freak out in the air, that's when things get scary, right? So to do, there's actually 3 ways I'll tell you to learn it. One of them is how he learned it, is a knee backflip. So start with a knee backflip. I don't recommend, it works for some people, but not all people. So you can start with the knee backflip. If that doesn't work, what a knee backflip is basically just landing on your shins and doing a backflip. I don't even like to do knee backflips. Another way to do it is to jump and land on your butt, hold your tuck, and then just go backwards. So I'll show you that right now. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna take like small jumps, hold your tuck, and then just lean back and then open up. It's really not scary at all, but you're kind of like doing a somersault roll out of it, and it's just really cool. So that's how I learned a backflip. Another way is how Sean learns it, kinda, the cameraman. So you go do like cartwheels, backwards cartwheels, and you keep doing it until you're more and more vertical. So start like this, and then eventually you're doing back handspring. So that's another way to learn it. Another way, I'm giving you a bonus one, is a backdrop, which is this. Landing on your back, just going right back. Alright, so those are for beginners, how to learn it. The actual technique of the backflip is really not complicated on a trampoline. All you have to do is jump up. Don't throw your head back. Jump up. You can swing your arms or you cannot. If you want to learn it on the ground, it's necessary to swing your arms. Swing your arms, tuck, and just go backwards. Just like the steps I already showed you. Learn one of those things, those simple ways to learn a backflip, get the rhythm, get the hang of it, and then, so another way to land a backflip. Alright, so make sure if you're having trouble landing a backflip, what you want to do is lock your hips and push your butt out. Do more, so like it should look like when you're landing. See how I landed if you look at it in slow motion, or if you pause the video. I landed with my hips back, and that's just going to absorb the landing. It's going to be better on your body, better on your knees, and it's also going to be a lot more firm. You're going to actually land it, and versus doing a posterior pelvic tilt, which is what most people do, and like just wrecking your knees. And it's not going to wreck your knees, but it's not good for your knees, and it's also just not good, and it's just not firm. Alright, so be strong, hips back when you're landing, and just like that. Alright, so thank you so much for watching the video. We have a backflip ebook available on sale. Click the link in the description. God bless, have a great day. Also check out my Instagram below, and I'll talk to you guys later.